Kitty, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
No, bye-bye.
Ehu.
Ta-da! Hey, what are you doing? It's time to unbox. It's a big robot. Siyempre, ang pinaka-ayaw ng lahat, yung manual.
Ay, okay.
And here it is now with the wireless mic. I can see a bar.
Hello.
See, can you test it?
Can you test it?
You look so cute kasi.
Stop. What's this, Ichi?
That's caramel.
What?
Caramel.
CE? Caramel?
Anong caramel? ASMR. Yun kasi yung mic mo. Hi guys, this is my voice without the mic. Hello, testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. I got my birthday gift ready. I got an early birthday gift. I got the DJI mic mini. Hirap na ako mag-edit ng mga sounds. Lalo na pag yung lolo mo, si Heras, ang nag-vlog. Hindi lang bulol, pero mahina din ang boses. So, it was finally time to invest on a wireless mic for vlogs, for talking. As they say, you can get away with bad video quality, but you can never ever get away with bad audio quality when it comes to YouTube videos and vlogs. So this is just a test. I just want to see the difference. It's very tiny. I already put the dead cat in there. I haven't tried it yet. Ganun lang siya kaliit. Liit niya. Tapos, ayan yung magnet niya. And then, there's also a clip. And then, here's the receiver in the middle. So, you can use this on other cameras. Not only DJI cameras, but on other cameras and your iPhone as well. And it all fits. Even with the little dead cats attached, it fits just like that. Nice. Extra ones here. This is the one, this is video quality, audio quality without the mic. And here it is now with the wireless mic. I can see a bar. Dati wala yung bar na yan. May sound bar pala sa taas. So you can kind of see if your voice is loud or mahina. Yon. Hi guys! Woo! I can go far na and you can still hear me. I hope this is better audio quality. I hope you guys can hear my voice. Dati kasi in the past vlogs, just ko na, ang hirap din kaya sumigaw. I mean, hindi naman yung sumisigaw. It's nice to talk in a normal voice like this, knowing that it'll capture my voice talaga in the most natural tone. Kasi I'll be honest, in my other vlogs before, I have to raise my voice higher. People think ang lakas ng boses ko, marami akong energy, when I'm just really concerned about if the camera is capturing every part of my voice. And I always have to be near. I'm always conscious if the camera will record my voice. But now that I have this, I can go as far as I can. You can still hear me. Next month na ako manganak. You don't need the receiver for this camera. For if you're using the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 or the DJI Action 4, I think you don't need a transmitter. It'll automatically connect with this. Now I'm worried kung sobrang lakas ba. Baka naman masyadong malakas na yung boses ko. This one's Mark's here. Siya yung kulay black. Ako yung kulay gray. Na ano. So, we can both talk at the same time. And I'm so excited for Mark to try this one. He needs this. This is my birthday gift, pero this is really for him. It's really perfect also for work. If you're doing content creating, vlogs, napaka-importante ang audio quality. So, meron daw tong noise reduction or wind reduction. And as you can see, may electric fan na naka-on ngayon. Okay, this is on low. I wonder if there's a difference. I hope there's a difference. This is on low. This is high. And the fan is towards me right now. Hello. I wonder if it's working. Hello. Yon. So may electric fan dyan nakatutok sa akin. Hopefully you guys don't hear the sound of the electric fan. But, yon. Kamusta kayo guys? Wala kaming vlog last week. Alam namin. Actually, it's my fault. And we've just been busy. And I have been out of it. I've been so tired, so sleepy. Hirap na ako sa katawan ko. Malapit na kasi and nag-ayos ng gamit and everything. We just really needed the rest last week. So, wala kaming nalabas na vlog. But here we go. We have another vlog for you guys today. And level up. Nag-level up kami ngayon sa mga vlogs. Thank you to this DJI mic thing. It's also really easier for me when it comes to editing. I don't need to always worry about the volume anymore, especially when Mark is talking.
Hello.
Hello, guys.
Hello, guys.
Can you test it?
Can you test it?
Itchy.
Itchy.
Look how fat he is, guys.
What? What are you talking about?
Show your body.
Nope.
Come on, show your
Nope.
body.
How-
Come on, show your
Stop.
body. You look so cute kasi.
Stop. Can I hear the ano? Are you recording?
We just came home from a little family party. We're also getting ready for baby girl's arrival. Getting ready, pero honestly, wala pang... Hindi pa ready actually. Marami naman kasing gamit na... Is this okay? They're both on... You know what? Whatever. We'll put that back. Yan. Patago yung kay Mark. Marami kasing pwedeng gamitin ni baby girl when it comes to baby things. Kasi maraming gamit si Corky na repeat lang. Siyempre, yung mga damit hindi pwede na kasi kadalasan kulay lalaki yung... Mark is here, guys. He doesn't want to show himself on the camera. Pero boses lang daw.
Hi, good evening, guys.
He's shy to show his
She's shy?
bloated body. So I told the people, kasi raisin eh. You want me to make ano? You? No, you want me to make you? Nit. Ayaw niya ng raisin eh. Ano yung palaman? Oh, yung cheese.
What's this, Itchy?
That's caramel.
What?
Caramel.
CE? Caramel?
Ano? Caramel. Itchy! Your mic! You're supposed to attach it to your...
Kuchinta.
ASMR.
SNR.
Yun kasi yung mic mo.
SNR.
Ano SNR? Sorry guys, tutuwa lang kami sa napakamaliit na mic namin. I watch too many TikToks, guys. Very, very bad.
What?
Yung ginagawa kong ASMR. You know, some others, ang ginagawa nila, yung mga nakasombrero, they put the mic there para rinig na rinig. Baliktad pala yung ano ko. Yan, ganyan. Hello. What are you eating?
Kuchinta.
Kuchinta.
Caramel. With caramel.
Wala kasing t-shirt si Mark, so he can't clip the mic to himself. There we go.
SNR. SNR. Hi.
Hi.
There you go.
Bye.
But bye agad. Hi. No, don't touch your mic. Hi.
Hi.
Don't say bye. This time, medyo mas excited ako dito sa vacuum na to kasi mas mapapadali yung trabaho ko sa bahay. Alam mo yun kasi this is a robot vacuum. Automatic siyang maglilinis ng floor. So, alam mo yun, hindi na ako masyadong kailangan mag-mop or gamitin yung ibang vacuum kasi nga, this is a robot vacuum. This is an automatic vacuum. So, mas more time with Corky and kay Iko. Diba? So, quality time with the family. And for Dapia pa, parating na si So, dapat talaga saktong-sakto tong robot vacuum na to para habang nag-aalaga ako ng dalawang bata so maglilinis siya ng mag-isa niya. So, dahil nga may parating kami bagong baby, kailangan na malinis yung floor. Kailangan mapanatili na mas malinis yung floor. Every day, every time, every day, at every minute. Now, it's time to unbox. Parang ang laki pala nito. It's a big robot. Okay, from that box, so may isa pang box. Siyempre, ang pinaka-ayaw ng lahat, yung manual. Yung manual, mga dust bag. Dust bag. Oh, it's a big, Hey. It's like, battery's not included. Kind of. Remove before use.
There's a little alien.
I think this is like the motherboard. Charging niya yata to. The water stains inside the robot are left from the factory test. Please reset. It's complicated. I think these are the, ito yung mga cleaning chuchu. Ayan, yung ano to. Ito yung meron din sa isang vacuum to eh. Ano, extra parts, no? Or meron pa ikakabit? Oh no, ikakabit natin. There you go. Manual thing. See? Yan ba yan? I think so. Panis. Panis si Batman. Okay guys, ito yung key selling points ng aming Dream L10S Ultra Gen 2 robot vacuum. Okay, so first, it has 10,000 PA powerful suction. So meaning, lahat ng klase na dumi na makikita niya or madadaanan niya, anything, sabay-sabay niya, pwede niyang sabay-sabay mahigop or malinis. So habang pagka pinandar mo siya, habang nagba-vacuum siya, any dirt na madaanan niya, kalat, whatever it is, lahat yun hihigupin ng vacuum. Okay, so we're setting up mga kalat, tas mga styro, tissue na basa, tas konting lipiga ako yung tissue. Hindi nyo kita pero may tubig yan. Dry and wet particles. First, dun sa ano niya, sa mga to-do list. To-do list. Kasi yung suction niya is, it's 10,000. There you go. Mag-vacuum siya, and then mag-mop. Vacuum-mop. Ako, nag-relax lang ako. Petix. Siya yung nagkatrabaho for me. Parang ano siya, sobrang nakakagaan ng buhay. Pwede ka matulog. Like si Koy, kita mo. Diba? Walang kahirap-hirap. It has a smart app control, okay? So guys, meron siyang app. It's called the Dream Home app. So dun sa app na yon, mamaya makikita nyo, pwede mo i-customize lahat ng kung paano mo siya linisin, yung water flow, lahat ng gusto mong gawin dun sa robot vacuum, nandun sa Dream Home app na yun. So, download nyo yun. See? It will take about 5 to 10 minutes. Are you okay? No, he's checking the map. This the place. Ayun, no? The map. Wala pa. Hindi, yung map. Hindi pa siya naglilinis, Ichi. Ano lang. Is ano, the map, yung floor, yung mapa. So, it's checking the whole floor now. Ayun na, mami. Parang dinadrawing niya. Up. Wow. Meron pa siyang no-go zone, no? No-go zone. No-go zone. Not my nails. Where is he? Oh, where is he? Where are you going? Nakikita niyo may mga obstacle courses para makita talaga kung talagang yung features niya na pag ma-recognize niya yung mga furnitures, yung mga gamit at iwasan niya para hindi siya bumangga or what. Parang ganun. Hindi siya kalat. Talagang kinalat namin yan. As of now, ang pinakabisado niya yung buong flooring ng bahay, yung lilinisin niya. So, ayan. So, ito yung mapa ng bahay. Ito yung floor. So, ito yung, kumbaga, dinadrawing niya sa utak niya. Because he's a robot. Ay, someone's naked!
Ay, wait, Corky, you're naked. Come here, come here, come here.
Lilinisin niya yan at maya. Okay, so the good thing about the app pwede mong i-exit yung app, tapos you can do your things like text, Viber, whatever, TikTok, ano naman. So you can just exit mo lang, and tuloy-tuloy pa rin siyang yung ginagawa niya. Like now, kabisado niya yung bahay, yung flooring, so hindi siya tumigil nung in-exit ko yung app. Yung flooring, kasi ito yung lilinisin niya for the next 5 years, 10 years. So, we'll update you tomorrow dun sa mga ibang features niya. As of now, hayaan muna natin siyang kabisaduhin yung flooring. So, by tomorrow, makikita niyo na yung features ng Robo Vacuum. At the same time, kabisado niyo na yung buong flooring itong first floor. So, meron din siyang smart robot vacuum base station. Yan. So, siyempre kahit mga around 75 days, hindi mo siya kailangan linisin dahil meron siyang auto-cleaning program, parang ganon. So, auto-cleaning yun. I think it's cleaning. Ayan, yung pinaka-smart robot vacuum base station niya. Once na nag-park na siya dyan, lahat lilinisin pati yung mop, lahat, pati water niya mag-change. Lahat ng kailangan linisin dyan. Nang wala kang kailangan gawin, kundi manood. At mag-abang. So now, naka-park siya, yung sa smart app, we can go to it's charging. Now it's charging. We have to, if you want to clean it, empty, dry, wash. You want to wash? Let's wash it.
Start auto empty.
Pagtamad kayong gumalaw at kumilos, you need to get one of these.
Start mop pad.
Okay, the mop pad, nasa ilalim niya. Okay.
Go closer, para marinig na light.
The water stains inside. There, oh. This is the clean water. This is yung madumi.
Oh, so this is the clean.
This one's the clean. This one's the yung malumi. And then dry. Hey, mop being clean. It's clean, being clean pa pala. I don't know if it's right to open the lid. Oh, it's cleaning pa pala. Are you dry na? Okay, this is the base station. It's happening. Yung dalawang mop niya sa ilalim, the cloth, it's automatically it's cleaning it. So there's water, then there's soap, then there's dust bug. So everything is automatic. Everything is robot. Robot. Okay, so it's spinning. So nakita niyo yung water on this side. Ito yung malinis na water. So yun din ginagamit para linisin yung mga cloth and the whole vacuum itself, the Robo Vacuum. Then yung lahat yung mga dust, yung mga nabavacuum niya dito sa dust bag. And syempre, hindi na pwede puro water lang, dapat meron ding sabon, so it's detergent. Meron din siyang Mop Extend Robo Swing Technology. So dito naman sa Mop Extend Robo Swing Technology, yung mismong vacuum, nare-recognize niya yung mga gamit niyo sa bahay. So yung kunyari yung mga underneath the couch, yung mga sa table, yung mga ilalim, lahat yun, na-recognize nung vacuum niyo, ng robot vacuum niyo. So kaya niyang lumusot sa ilalim para linisin yung mga ilalim niya. So di niyo kailangan yumuko kasi nga ginagawa na ng robot vacuum para sa inyo. And then, meron din siyang duo scrub mopping system. So, meron siyang dual rotating mop. So, dun sa paikot na yun, basta dun yung robot vacuum, meron siyang dual rotating mop. So, dalawang mop, gets yun naman. So, dalawang mop na umiikot. So, lahat talaga ng kalat na maladaanan niya. Talagang lahat malilinis. Siyempre, meron din siyang smart Pathfinder and 3D Adapt technology. So this time naman, ang ginagawa naman ng robot vacuum, na-recognize niya yung mga lubak or yung mga medyo parts na hindi pantay yung daanan or yung floor or lahat ng mga furnitures no, iiwasan niya para hindi siya babangga or hindi siya ma-stuck. Pag medyo naramdaman niya na hindi pantay yung floor, hindi niya pupuntahan yan. So, syempre, meron din siyang 32 level water adjustment. So 32 na yon na adjustment of water. So kahit anong klaseng gusto mo linis, gusto mo ng dry, gusto mo ng saktong basa lang, gusto mo ng saktong basang-basa, alam mo yun, you can adjust it dahil meron nga siyang 32 options. So pwede nyo pag-aralan yung features ng robot vacuum para mas magawa niyo siya ng tama. See that? It's a lot of water. It's like pichel. So talagang you can clean everything or most of the house or most of the...
Then the other one?
The other one is for the dirty water. There. So far, yan siya. So, ganun din siya kadami. I mean, ganun kadami pwede malagay dyan. May mga tube-tube siya. And then, syempre, meron siyang pet zone cleaning customization. Pag may mga alaga kayo, aso, pusa, teddy bear, kung ano man, automatic na teddy bear. Automatic na nakuha niya yung mga buhok ng aso, yung mga buhok ng pusa. Automatic din siya, yung water flow niya nag-a-adjust din, depende dun sa dami siguro ng buhok or ano man nakukuha dun sa mga pets nyo. So, pet-friendly siya. So, okay. Come on, you play. Play with... Yeah. Ayan guys, so nakita nyo na yung mga features at kung paano makapagaan ang ating mga buhay. Itong Dream L10S Ultra Gen 2 Robot Vacuum. We have our own. Thank you Dream for giving us another vacuum. Thank you Miss Myla again. Subscribe sa vlog and gaganda ng mga vacuums nila. So dapat i-check it out nyo na yan. Mike daw siya. Mike.
You talk na. Do you like your new vacuum?
Yeah.
Say, I like my new vacuum.
Hi. Off. Off.
Yes. Go there. You talk to them. You talk to the camera.
Off. I.
Say your name.
Okay.
How old are you?
Up.
How old are you?
Okay.
No, how old are you?
4.
Right.
4.
Oh.
Go. Talk to the camera.
Okay, look here, talk here.
Out.
Huh?
Out. Out.
What do you mean out?
Out.
Where are we going?
Want to go out?
Out.
No, don't ano. Ha?
Are we going out? Where are we going?
Baby.
We're going to Airbnb? Don't touch the button.
Is he out?
We're staying here.
Out.
No,
Ow.
Poki. No.
Out. Out.
Okay, don't